got leaked. Somebody said they wanted Sinigang, so you asked for it, we brought it. Boom. Welcome back. Today we made Sinigang.
Here you go.
Yay. So Sinigang is like a Filipino comfort food.
What other meats can we use besides pork?
We can use a shrimp sinigang or fish sinigang or beef,
What's your favorite?
pork.
You know, we added okra, but you don't have to. It's optional. Like, you can add anything you want, really. If you don't have rotini, it's hard to say. you can use spinach, something like that.
Yes.
A leaf.
All we need right here. We get this thing. See, this is why you have to boil your meat before you cook it, because this is what you see and this is what you're going to eat if you don't boil
So like
your
fat?
meat before you. That's a pressure burn. We call this tarurut in America, in the Filipino, gabi.
can't even look at them.
Don't cry.
Yeah, so you need to kind of, this one right here, so they're kind of long, so you have to still kind of,
Okay.
yeah, you have to snap, just snap, like that. Please. Here's your meat.
Up like this.
Meat,
I
meat,
help you.
pork,
This is your pork.
Don't drop my phone in the soup.
meat, pork.
So easy. Just make sure that you don't burn yourself. So just gonna, yeah, like that. Look at that. There. Because it's frozen, so you just kind of slowly. You don't want to splash yourself with a hot soup.
No, 2 minutes. Let it boil for 2 minutes.
Oh, Krissy. Taste test.
Bomb. With everything.